Hi, what's up YouTube? At some point in time, your Apple Mac charger might end up looking like this. Don't let this happen to you. I waited too long to change out this adapter and now it no longer works. Before it would work intermittently, but now it doesn't work at all. But in today's video, I just want to show you a quick little review on the two products that I bought. I actually bought a replacement adapter and a 6-foot extender. If you want to check those out for the best price, definitely just check out the links down in the description below. So here's my brand new cable setup. I only spent $8 on the 6-foot extender right over here and about $15 on the actual adapter itself. It's some serious savings. I probably saved over $80 because if you go on the apple.com website, the power cord is about $80 and extender is about $20. When shopping around for a power adapter for your Mac Air or MacBook Pro, you want to make sure that you have the right connectors on the inside. As you can see, there are 3 different types of connectors here, and you want to also make sure you have the right make and model along with the right input and output for the wattage. Okay, so here is the aftermarket one to the left, and to the right is the OEM one that's all damaged. So the main difference I could see is that the main adapter to the left is a lot larger than the OEM one. And when looking at the back, make sure you pay attention to the model number. This one is capital A1436, and also pay attention to the input and output specs along with the wattage. This one is a 45 watt. The brand new replacement adapter is on the top, and then the OEM factory Apple power adapter is on the bottom. The aftermarket power adapter has all the specs on one side, but the factory one you might have to turn to the left to view more of the specifications. And like I said before, you can also get a 6-foot adapter that will work with your factory adapter, just like that. Or you can take it off and put it onto your OEM replacement power cord adapter, just like so. And I'll show you the differences in the length here in a moment. The aftermarket OEM adapter also has these flip-up arms just like the original Apple adapter does. So here's a quick look at the two cords, and you can see here that the factory one without the extender is only 6 feet long, but if you get the adapter, you're able to extend from right here so that you have an additional 6 more feet of plug-in room. Here's the old factory power adapter that won't work. It's all jacked up, as you can see, and here's the brand new one. It looks exactly the same and has the same LED light indication that lights up orange whenever it's charging, and then when it's fully charged it turns green. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment below if you have any questions, subscribe, and share this video with someone that can use it. And as always, thank you all for watching.